The Czinger 21C is a hybrid sports car developed using 3D printing by the American car manufacturer Czinger Vehicles. Manufacturing began in 2021 with a planned production run of 80 units. On Sunday, July 14th, Czinger Vehicles made history at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. The 21C became the fastest road legal production car of all time on the legendary Goodwood Hillclimb, breaking the record in the timed shootout with a blistering 48.8-second run, besting the previous 49.3-second record set in 2023. Veteran driver Chris Ward steered the 21C to victory with his extensive racing experience. With its revolutionary biologic alloy 3D printed and carbon fiber chassis, comprised of perfectly evolved structures that utilize machine learning and AI in their design, the 21C delivers a new generation of chassis efficiency and vehicle dynamics. Its unique hybrid powertrain combines the world's most power-dense production engine, an in-house developed 950 brake horsepower V8 twin-turbo with 3 electric motors to deliver 1,350 horsepower, propelling the 21C from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds and providing continuous peak performance that was perfectly showcased at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. The 21C has a driver's seat in the central position and an inline, tandem passenger seat behind that of the driver, minimizing the width of the cockpit. That's all for today. See you in another video.